Alright, what we have here is a disposable throwaway camera. And I want to show everybody how you can get yourself a free AA battery. I used to work at a photo lab, so I know how to take these things apart. Okay, voila, AA battery. Now you have to be careful when you get this out because it can shock you. And number one, make sure your film is completely done and wound up. You take the battery out, I suggest with a screwdriver so you don't get shocked. Then you can use this, and it hasn't been used very long. A lot of the times they will recycle these and keep using them. And you got yourself a AA battery to use there. And to take the film out. Okay, the film is over on this side. So, see that little groove? Pop that in there. See that? That's your film. All you gotta do is shake it out. It'll come out, and if it doesn't, you just take the screwdriver and you pull it out. See? Alright, this little piece there they'll need for developing. See? You just leave that much out and take it to your local 1-hour photo lab, Walgreens or wherever, and they'll develop it in an hour or so. And that's how you take care of that.